Hello, this is Sarah Furman, and this is my Evernote account. So just to hop right into things, these are my two notebooks. So the first one is sheep production in Ireland, and I have 5 different subcategories. So we can just go through them. Actually, I know how to make this easier. We'll just click on the big guy. There we go. So in each one, I have a little bit of notes that go along with the link that I have provided for each one of them. Some of them go to links such as this, some of them go to YouTube videos. So there are all of these. So sheep facilities in the US and Ireland, basic sheep terminology, sheep production in the United States. So now we can move on to my other notebook, which is titled Simple Living. We'll get back to this in a second. So I have canning, sewing, herb drying, gardening, and finally uses for wood ash. So if you are making a note and you're like, man, this is a really good website. I wish that I could put that with my notes. Well, I'm here to show you how you can do that. So click on whatever one you want. I'm going to use Canon as an example, which is where this comes from. And I'm going to click on my link. And I'm going to hit continue. And it's going to take you to the page. Now, not all pages will allow you to clip it. But I'm going to do that. So you need to add the extension, the Evernote web clipper, to your Chrome. It's very simple and easy to use. So then we're going to come back to my tab, click on this little guy. It's loading the web clicker, and it'll highlight everything in the green. And so then we're just going to hit save clip. Loading, syncing. Saved. Okay, so now we're going to open it up in our web browser. And there it is. So the whole article will be here, and you can just read through it. But to highlight something, so let's say I want to highlight my favorite items that you can can. So I'm going to do, I'll do berries, pie filling, and apple butter. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Oh, I guess I already have something saved, but I will make a second one. So what did I say? I said berries. Oh, we need to unhighlight that. Boop. I think that fixed it. There we go. So oh my goodness. Okay, berries, apple, butter, and I'm pretty sure it was pie filling, which is what I already had up there, but that's okay. So then once you have that written down in your notes from your document, you're going to highlight it with your cursor, control click it, or no, don't do that. You're going to come up here and hit more, and then you're going to hit highlight, and you can choose whatever color you want. So I'm going to do blue. And there you go. So now you have highlighted areas from your notes.